are so good. Blessed be your name. Lord, you are so good. Blessed be your name. In heaven you are the Lord. On earth you reign forever. Oh Lord, how great thou art. Blessed be your name. You are so good.
Lord, you are so good.
Blessed be
your name.
Lord, you are so good.
Lord, you are so good.
Blessed be
your name.
in heaven.
In heaven you are the Lord.
On earth
you reign forever.
oh
Oh Lord, how great thou art.
Blessed be
your name.
you are so good.
Lord, you are so good.
Blessed be
your name.
Lord, you are so good.
Lord, you are so good.
Blessed be
your name.
in heaven.
In heaven you are the
His son can start the Egungun, and his wife will be collecting money for his. Then after his retirement, why don't you ask him if he has already carried Egungun before? You see, Lai Mohammed is out of touch. You know his age. The budget has not been signed. He went to Abeokuta for chieftaincy title in a mosque. They make him Baba Adini. No, that means that was what is in his mind before. They are giving him free money. Who is Lai Mohammed before? He's a man who, the Senate president put him there. Those are part of the people he wanted to use to work. Look at the other notorious boy in Kwara that was killed in around February. Ajia. Yes. You know, these are the hitman for the father of Saraki. Okay. And this Saraki himself knew how bad this boy was. They gave this guy life imprisonment to be hanged. Then he gave him parole when he was a governor. You know what I'm saying? So automatically, is there any good person from Kwara? Because they do go there to eat amala with their destiny in the hand of Saraki's father. Can anything good come out of Kwara?
No, sir.
When the Saraki father was dethroned as a Senate leader, then what is happening to his son now? It's about being go to jail.
Yes.
They dethrone his father, but his son is going to jail as a legacy. Is there any peace in Saraki's house?
No, sir.
The man he kept there now was a banker, thinking maybe he can cover up his dirty deals in atrocities. But the guy warned him the other day, don't come for Ilea. The people will not like to see you. They were stoning Saraki with what? With pure water. So automatically, my brother, Lai Mohammed is out of touch. There is no any seasoned person in this their cabinet. No one. Fashola was a lawyer.
Yes, sir.
How many cases has he won in the court?
To become a son.
To become a son. Then the other man and the Fayemi cannot defend his seat in Ekiti. He only finished because Tinubu helped him the first time. Now that Tinubu cannot help him, he cannot win his election. He was thrown away. Running through the whole Nigeria does not make him a good minister. Look at Dimeji Bankole when he was a team leader of those boys the other days. We were thinking Bankole is going to do something fantastic. He's there now. Maybe a time is coming out, Bankole will be fighting for governor of Ogun State. Is Bankole a normal human being?
No, sir.
What about his father?
He's a comedian.
But you know what? A goat cannot give birth to a cow. So, a cow cannot give birth to a ram. Leave all these people, their time will pass.
What about it?
You see, Arebashola is a gangster. He could have even, it's an orchestra. You see, the day I saw him dancing in a party, and I remember how he was a good boy to my friend then, Professor Agbala Jobi. Those are the time we have good politicians, a professor. And look at this man, look, go to the streets where he's living around Egbeda. They didn't talk well about him.
Yes.
And even him flying jet everywhere. We never knew he can change like this. We never knew it's going to be worse like this. If care is not taken, he will go to jail. in this country before he died.
That's Aribeshola.
Yes. And if it's not, if proper care is not taken, he's going to die in the hand of his people. Because the mob they will attack him before the end of this year. They will run out of patience. All the whole contract he was given out is given to his friends. Buying houses in London and everywhere. And all his friends are the good engineer who can do the job. And he's a fornicator. And he wanted to change that state to IOC. He's looking for all means, but he cannot succeed. But this man will only help us to bring out the list of those people who stole our money. You see the Benga Daniel celebrated, I think, 68th.
With the Rolls Royce, sir.
Yes.
The Phantom, sir. Sorry, sir. Phantom.
He's a terrible thief.
Okay, sir.
His Yoruba people are not active. They could have just go to the hall there and mob him. You know the legacy he laid down in Ogun State. He has made some people a fatherless person.
Jesus Christ.
And when you look at Olakpade or
Olakpade.
yes, the head of his talk,
That's the former commissioner for youth.
yeah, that he normally used to keep people those days. They were still there. What is he celebrating?
Olakpade.
Yes, he tied the voodoo on his body. He made his own son, his own child, watermelon. What is he celebrating in 60? You know they don't have shame. They don't have shame. So this is what will be happening when the enlightenment comes. And the man living that place, he said he stole 32 billion. You will see one day people will just line up in his gate. That they will cut up. That's what they were doing in River State before. In the old rivers. If they give you a contract and you didn't do it, and they call you to go and serve us in the top, you didn't do anything, they will come and cut your neck. They will come for your house and burn everything and kill everything that belongs to you. Look at the beautiful men in those states. That could have been a good thing for the Edo and the Yoruba to have good roads, good everything. Yes. But because it's in that area and the people of Ondo State are well read, so you cannot just go there and dupe them like the one you do to the Niger Delta people. So they didn't touch it, but it's there. And look at the gold at Oshogbo. All the whole pieces of diamond, and they take it to the outside people in Kano. All those people coming to disturb Oshogbo, Ogumosho there for that gold. And they were sent from Kano. So my brother, let's wait and see. But my last advice is United States of Nigeria. We are going to have state police, county police. Let the king organize who will govern the people of Ukitibuba. Let the people of Ore organize the people that will guide Ore. Let the people of Benin, Oselu local government, let them organize. They know themselves. How do you expect a police from Kano to come and guide the Oba of Benin's palace? It's not possible. Nigerians the president are putting a lot of things on his head. They should make the center. They should just dissolve the center. And they should call all the senators to come when they have something to deliberate. They should go home. If there's nothing to deliberate, they should stay. Whenever they are coming to deliberate something, we pay the higher time. The hour they spend, then we pay them. Rather than giving them. So what we saw in Kano is an eye-opener of what happened in Aba those days. And it will go round.
Very soon.
Very soon. It will go to Fashola, it will go to Tinubu, it will go to all these people, it will go to Benga Daniel. These are the people, mark those people. Because he said in Julius Caesar, he said, mark well Metellus Simba, Decius Brutus, do what? He said, bring them down. They are all what? They are all conspirators. What happened in Julius Caesar is what's happening now. What happened in Animal Farm? Do you read Animal Farm? Is what he said we lay eggs. We can't what? We can't see we don't see anyone to hatch. Where are the eggs going? Then that was why they started the revolution. Okay. He said war is war, no what? No sentimentality. The only good human being is the dead one. That was Boxer, who led the animals. So that's how. But it's in the book 2012 that there's going to be accident on Fayoshe on April. Okay. Then he now turned the accident on his people. Okay. 6 doctors died in a day. Yes. It's there now. It's in that book.
Oh, do you think he did juju or something like that?
No, they are helping him with voodoo.
Okay.
It's not normal again. He's mentally unbalanced.
Okay.
They will pull him down.
Okay.
You know his first friend he has killed that came from America who wanted to contest with him the other time.
Ramola.
That we still hunting.
Okay.
He's not talking straight now. He said he wanted to build the airport in Ekiti.
Yes, sir.
Is it to carry cow or what?
No, to carry, maybe to carry tomatoes. Right?
To where? Who need Ekiti tomato? Because Obasanjo said the time is still coming when you'll be going to buy roasted corn, agidi, some everything. And it's then that we know that he's mentally unbalanced. You know, he was even saying that his mother is using diaper, exposing his mother
Yes,
in
sir.
the open.
Yes,
And the Bible said, anybody who makes jest or ridicule his parents.
Yes. It's in the dark.
Yes, I want to beg all Nigerian youth
Yeah.
to forget about joining the police. They should forget that the offer they gave to them, they should not follow. They should not join police, they should not join the army, they should not join the air force. They should form a team and a group to go and annex, to go and borrow acres of land and be doing farming. Because if they should go to join the government again, they will waste their time. Because when you get to the NDA now, he is the son of all the great people that they pack there. So for anybody who join as a recruit, the way they serve their father, they will still serve their son again. So they should leave it to them.
Find a new path.
And for just agree, they should go into animal husbandry. Plant cassava, plant anything, and do irrigation. We don't need any dam here. All our money have been wasted on agriculture in the north. They do dams, they do everything. They want them to be bringing here, but look at it now. They've made all the southerners, people from Edo, they've made us destitute. Just as if they put a handcuff in our hand. If their tomatoes did not arrive, we will not eat. If their rodo did not arrive, we cannot eat. If their yam did not come, we cannot eat.